There's no question that the number one discharge product in the drainage world is the pop-up emitter. But there's also no denying that the number one problem with the pop-up emitter is the grass grows over it and then you can't discharge your water. Well, that's no longer the case. We've come up with a turf restrictor plate. We build the pop-up emitter inside the turf restrictor plate. It's stronger and it has a bigger outlet than any other pop-up emitter ever made, ever designed. Now available in 4 different configurations. All right, everybody. Until that next video.